everyone, and welcome to PastorKims Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you like what's going on and you want to know every time I'm uploading a video, but most importantly for me is leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoy this recipe, if you've ever made this recipe, and if you think you'll try it. Today I am making Jamaican style oxtails, and they are going to be delicious. So let's get started. So what I'm doing first, of course, is taking them out of package, and I'm going to get ready to clean them, and I will show you how I do that. Okay, so I've got the oxtails soaking in water, and I'm going to be adding vinegar and lemon to this to help clean them, okay? Normally I would let them sit for maybe, 20 minutes to let the vinegar and lemon work, but I'm a little pressed for time, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, so as I start moving this around, the acid from the vinegar and the lemon will begin to peel off excess fat and unwanted particles. That's why I said normally I might let it soak for about 15-20 minutes, but I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, so now they've been thoroughly cleaned, and it's time to start seasoning them. is I'm frying the oxtails in a little bit of brown sugar, flour, and cooking oil, just a little bit, about a quarter to a half cup for each one of those, probably a half cup of flour. And then after I fry them, they go directly into the pressure cooker. So now I'm getting ready to saute the onion, the red and orange peppers. I didn't have any green peppers. And I'm going to add the carrots and the butter beans to the pan afterwards. Okay guys, so I let these cook in the pressure cooker for about 40 minutes and then took the lid off. That's when all the chaos began in my home because I took that little piece off the pressure cooker too quick and water and steam went everywhere. But needless to say, once we did get that off, we added the vegetables and put it on for like another 30-40 minutes, and they were literally falling off the bone. So I hope you enjoy. Try it out and use lots of nutmeg and lots of thyme. Have a blessed day.